light. It is the key to photography, but also the biggest challenge for a camera. When there's almost no light to work with, how do you capture it? How do you process it? We ask photographers from all around the world to help us refine the camera system for the Realme 9 Pro Plus with our 12 Hours of Night campaign.
Smartphone cameras are usually very capable in well-lit situations, while the low-light scenarios remain a major challenge. What is truly important is how much light is transmitted through lens and how the camera is processing the image afterwards.
Stigma gadget yang highlight fotografi itu kebanyakan infoin numbers of megapixel yang mereka punya. Kalau buat gua, megapiksel gede itu nggak ngaruh sama hasil fotonya, tapi lebih ke sensor foto.
It's hard to imagine doing long exposure photography without professional equipment, since the gear you're shooting with needs to be very still for some time.
Bueno, la verdad es que muchas personas están cambiando sus cámaras de DSLR a los celulares porque les está facilitando muchísimo el flujo de trabajo.
Realme es un aliado tanto para fotógrafos como para fans de la fotografía.
Realme 9 Pro series, we encourage the youth to chase their dreams with hope in their hearts, even when there seems darkness all around.
I'm happy to be a part of the Realme camera optimization program, testing the equipment that supports the creative process and helps to achieve beautiful photographs in the full range of lighting scenarios.
Why are flagship cameras better at low-light photography? They have bigger sensors, better image stabilization, and more intelligent noise reduction algorithms. With the goal of bringing you a flagship experience, the Realme 9 Pro Plus is the first smartphone from Realme to include our ProLight imaging technology. The bigger the sensor, the more light intake, the more image information. We use the huge Sony IMX766 imaging sensor to capture more light, while its built-in optical image stabilization keeps images sharp. ProLight imaging technology includes Realme's AI noise reduction engine 3.0, developed specifically to intelligently reduce image noise. This combination of powerful hardware and innovative software is the perfect representation of making flagship technology accessible to all. That is in sync with our core value, dare to live.